Hey everybody, Grant here with Canada Brush Control, and we are actually in our holding yard, and we're getting set to do some work here. If you guys have watched the previous videos, we finally got rid of the car that's been sitting here, that was being stored here for a while. We've been trying for quite a while to try and get it out of here, and it's finally gone. So we're here today. We have a new excavator we're working with. It's I'm gonna probably botch this name out, but it's a Takeuchi, and it's the first time that we're using one of their excavators, so we're going to try it out. And I figured good way to break it in. We have a bunch of jobs over the next couple of days with it, so we're actually going to come out here and we're going to take all the hills out here and stuff like that. This is going to be an area I want to put a sea can in here, and also stack some wood as we cut it as well during the winter. So this was something that we were planning on doing when we originally did the holding yard here, but of course it got held up because the vehicle was in the way. So anyways, so we're going to get started. The excavator is warming up, and well, let's go.
For a comeback, are you ready to fly? Are you ready for the moment? Get ready to ride. Calling all the fighters, calling on survivors. Are you up all nighters? We can take it higher. Let's do this. Can you feel the fire running through your veins? Now you're burning brighter, don't look away. Shout out to the legends, rising from the wreckage. Count down the seconds, it's out your engines. Let's do this. Got a long way to go. I know we've got a long road home. I know we've got a long way to go. Let's do this.
Alright, so the main thing that I wanted to do immediately was to get a platform built in here, so that way we can start knocking down some of these trees here. There's a big pile that's there that I want to spread out. That big tree there will stay. We're just going to knock out these things here, but I needed to get in, get some access in here. So yeah, we're going to continue.
Come on. Pink Gators, my Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right, get the head right. Biggie there, every night. Papa been smooth since days of under rules. Never lose, never choose to. Bruise, cruise, who? Do something to us. Talk, go through us. Girls walk to us, wanna do us, screw us. Who us? Yeah, Papa and Papa. Close like Starsky and Hutch, stick the clutch. Yeah, I squeeze 3 at your cherry M3. Bang every MC easily. Take that. Recently, niggas frontin', ain't saying nothing, so I just speak my peace, keep my peace. Cubans with the Jesus peace, with my peeps packing, asking who want it. They got it, nigga flaunt it. That Brooklyn bullshit, we on it.
Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken. You're so petty. Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken. You're so petty.
I put hoes in NY onto DKNY. Miami, DC, prefer Versace.
That's right.
All Philly hoes know it's Moschino. Every cutie with the booty boy the coochie. Now who's the real dude? Meaning who's really the shit? Them niggas ride dicks. Frank White push the sticks on the Lexus LX 4.5. Bulletproof glass tints if I want some ass. Gon' blast squeeze first, ask questions last. That's how most of these so-called gangsters pass. At last, a nigga rapping about blunts and bras, tits and bras, menage a trois, sex and expensive cars, and still leave you on the pavement. Condo paid for, no car payment. Expensive cars, and still leave you on the pavement. Condo paid for, no car payment.
Okay, so we got everything spread out and cleaned up here, and I was taking a look at everything and the available area that we have. I kind of like where we're going. Got no trees here, so that one's dead. I want to keep this guy here. He's pretty big, but I figured I got all this fill over here that just sitting in stock right now. Why not put it to use? So we're gonna dump some fill over here, kind of build it up a bit, expand out a little more, touch up a little bit of this area here, and expand the area. We can fit more than one sea can in here, and quite a bit of area for stacking wood as well. So yeah, let's get started.
Keep your eyes on the road.
we're supervisor approved. Anyways, Trish was just here to check and see what we were up to. So we got it cleaned out. We might next week, we got a couple jobs we're working on right now, starting tomorrow. So if we have time next week, I might throw some more fill in and put it back a bit more. We want to put a sea container along here, have an area for wood as well. So cleaned up nice. We opened up some more area again, stacked up the stuff that was over there, and got a lot of packing material that I'm trying to lay down and try and clean up some of this stuff and get a little more compressed. Just with all the trucks coming in and stuff like that, so just building it back up a bit. But anyways, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned. We have a few other projects we're working on that'll probably drop around the same time as this one, and we'll see you then.